Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this button, Do Not Disturb. By tapping it once, you can switch this mode. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on it. Here you can, for example, add a schedule for this mode. Just select when, at which day, and then select the time period. You can also add allow interruptions for this mode. For example, it could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorite contacts, or from nobody. The same goes to messages. And there is also an option repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.